Here's how to save tomato seeds from your own tomatoes. You want the tomato to ripen on the vine so they're the deepest color they can be. This allows the seeds to mature in the tomato and they're nice and full. Choose the tomatoes from your favorite plants. That way you propagate the traits that you enjoy in your tomatoes. For example, if you like a smaller plant, a larger tomato, bug resistance, taste preference, or even the ones that matured first, save those seeds. To get the perfect slice to scoop the seeds out, find the natural groove in the top of the tomato and cut perpendicular from that groove. Take a spoon and follow the core, or the placenta is what it's called, and backwards scoop out all of those seeds. I scoop it into a glass because they're easier to clean, but you can do it in whatever container you prefer. At about 1 to 3 water to seed ratio, and mix all that water and seed together. Take a paper towel to cover the glass and secure it with a rubber band or hair tie. Let it sit for about 2 to 3 days and swirl it every time you're in the kitchen. What this does is it helps break down the little gel coating on each of the seeds. After a few days, take those seeds and put them into a really fine strainer. Rinse off all of that gel coating and any leftover residue from the core of the tomato. Shake off any excess water, then place onto a plate. I prefer styrofoam because they can bend and they don't stick to the seeds. Spread them out fairly evenly on this plate so you can allow for good air circulation between the seeds. Cover with another paper towel and then set a fan on it so it can blow and dry for a couple more days. Separate the seeds so they're not sticking together and label your storage packaging with the traits from the seeds that you collected. Keep them in a cool, dry, and dark place and you can plant them up to several years later. You can also plant them right away. Thanks for watching and happy seed saving.